Welcome. In this video, we'll walk through a quick and simple guide on how to allow WhatsApp Web to access your clipboard on your PC after the new update. This feature lets you copy and paste messages, links, or text between your computer and WhatsApp Web more efficiently. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and go to WhatsApp Web. Make sure you're logged in and connected to your account. WhatsApp Web works best on the latest version of your browser, so it's always a good idea to update it if needed. Now, move your attention to the top of the browser window, right next to the web address. You'll notice a small icon, usually shaped like a lock or information symbol. Click on that icon to open the View Site Information menu. From there, you'll see an option that says Settings. Click on it to open the configuration panel for WhatsApp Web. This is where you can manage site permissions such as camera, microphone, and clipboard access. Next, locate the section labeled Permissions and click on More Settings. Permissions. This will display a full list of all available permissions that you can change for WhatsApp Web on your browser. Scroll until you find Clipboard. This is the key setting we need to adjust. Right next to it, there should be a drop-down menu or toggle that allows you to choose between options like Ask, Block, or Allow. Select Allow, and once you do, the change will apply instantly. This means WhatsApp Web now has permission to read from and write to your clipboard whenever you copy or paste something within the chat. That's it. You've successfully enabled clipboard access for WhatsApp Web on your PC. From now on, copying and pasting messages or links between your computer and WhatsApp Web should work seamlessly. If this update helped you, consider exploring your browser's other permission settings for better control over your privacy and app performance. Thanks for watching.